Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Mushlihatul Mumtaz with the student identification number D1I20079 and I'm from class 2 regular C. In this presentation, I will discuss about the material choose part 1. The first, I will explain to you about research product. Product research involves understanding the process of finding out which types of products and products to satisfy our tastes as consumers. To find a product that we want to buy, usually we ask consumers to find out about the product we buy. It is several questions about research product, on my opinion. For example, yesterday I booked a charger laptop. The first question, how did you choose what to buy? The way I choose something that I will buy is whether the object fits my needs. Does the price match the quality of the good stuff? The second question, did you think only about price? Yes, I did. Indeed, sometimes I think about the price, whether the price is affordable or not, but the price does not always guarantee the quality of the goods. So, how is the product quality? The third question, how about the product? Usually the goods I buy have good product quality, not only comfortable when used but whether the function of the good is appropriate and the durability of the goods is good. The fourth question, did you satisfied with the product? Sometimes satisfied, sometimes not. The last question, how do you recommend a good product? On my opinion, how to recommend a good product is to explain the quality of the product, the convenience of the product when used, and the price of the product is affordable. Next, I will explain to you about language asking polite question. So, usually when we want to ask or when a discussion about a product, of course the discussion here must talk or ask polite question by starting the word do you know or whether. Ask someone, there are two questions. The first direct question and the last indirect question and need an answer. We often ask indirect question to be polite. For example, do you know what the specifications are? Indirect question, do you know plus question, or do you know plus if plus question if you want to answer. For example, do you know if my laptop is warm out? This is indirect question because need to answer. For yes or no question, we ask if or whether. For example, can you tell me whether it has support for networking? I don't know whether this network is running well or not. The last, I will explain to you about common pricing models. A quick explanation. There are actually 12 common pricing models, but that will be discussed. There are 5 common pricing models. The first, traditional pricing. This is the pricing model most common in consumer software. If you buy software in a box from a shop, you're probably using this model. Each major version of the software costs money. Mirror versions are free for license holders. When a new major version comes out, license holders have to pay extra, but usually less than for a first purchase. Users can often try out the software for free for a short trial period. The second, tiered pricing. In this model, there are at least two levels or tiers of the software product. Each level has a different feature set or allow a different number of users. The third, freemium pricing. This model is just tiered pricing, but the lowest level is free. Often there are a very large number of free users who act as advertising for the company. If a free user likes the program, they might encourage their employer to use it, who will then pay for premium features. The fourth, subscription pricing. In this, buyer pays a regular fee, usually monthly, to use the software. This includes all updates, which are pushed out to the user. The advantage is that the software company can easily bring out updates frequently. This pricing model is often associated with cloud computing. The last, freeware, as its name suggests, this is free software. It might be ad-supported. The disadvantage is that it may take up space on the screen. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum.